Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change language on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do to change the language of your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core is go to settings, okay? Tap the settings. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Okay, tap this system and system. Okay, you can see the language and input. Okay, tap the language and input. Here in language and input, okay, you can see the language. Okay, the language is set into English or Philippines. Okay, tap this to change the language. Okay guys, here add your language to the list below. The language at the top of the list will be used by default. Okay, if an app doesn't support the language, the next language in the list will be used instead. So, okay guys, to change the language of your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, okay, you'll have to do is you can select the option. So, but for now, I have no other language add to my phone. Okay. To add the language to your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, you'll have to do is tap the add language. And now here, you can select the language you want to add to your phone. Okay, for my example, I add the Filipino or Filipinas language. Okay, tap this. And after that, okay, the pop-up below are show, okay, set Filipino as a default language. You can set the language into default by tap the set as a default, okay, or you can keep the current, okay. Try to set and to keep on the current. And okay guys, updating the system language. So after you select the language on the add language, okay, the language is put on this option. And okay guys, okay, to change into Filipino language, you'll have to do is tap and press the language you want to change. And okay guys, slide from first position to set the language on your mobile phone. So okay guys, we have successfully changed into Filipino language into my phone. So okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the language on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.